Thank you, Mountain, for sending me the Everest Max keyboard. The box looks pretty cool inside. Then we have the keyboard right here. I went for the cherry red US International black version. Sounds pretty good. We've got the armrest, we got the keyboard here, and we just attach it to the bottom. And now we can lean on it with our arm. Wait a second. There's a second compartment. What? So I thought I had to remove the top part, but you actually slide it out of the bottom. They've got icons on it. One box has USB cables, USB-C to USB-C, numpad, 4 buttons here, and a normal numpad. Seems like we can attach it either on the left or the right side of the keyboard. There's a button here on the back that you can push to let it go to the other side. You've got the keyboard here, and I just attach it to the side like that. Now it's attached. Next thing we have here is media dock. There we go. You can attach that somewhere here at the top. What we can do with this is next song, pause song, control the volume and stuff like that of media sources. Then we have a box here that says customize. What we have here seems to be a tool. Some extra feeds. So if we want to higher up the keyboard, we can do that with these. And there's some extra buttons in here. Cherry red, blue, gray, brown, and pink. So basically you get an extra key from every different kind of push system. And there is an extra escape button in here. That is actually pretty convenient because on my old keyboard I broke the escape button, so I could replace these two on this keyboard if that ever happens to me again. Then in the box we also have a manual. I think the only thing I'm really missing in this keyboard right now is a set of WASD keys that have like this different texture, so you know if you're playing a shooter that you're on the right keys. 4 buttons up here you can customize to whatever you want them to do, so to open a program or to switch scenes in your stream if you're streaming or anything else.